Alright everybody, welcome to my channel, The Odd Castle for You. Today I'm going to do a little tutorial of setting up a DJ system, a DJ controller with a mixing board and two powered speakers. These are 15 inches, made by Rockville, wireless microphones, and a set box. The inputs and the outputs is the main focus for this tutorial. For the set box, we want to make sure that we are hooked into the RCAs and we are running those RCAs into the main out of the DX12 mixing board. For the DJ controller, which is made by Newmark, the output, we want it to go into the input tape. Don't forget, remember tape. These are where we hook into RCAs in to the output of the DJ controller. The tape on the mixer output is going to go into the line in of the Rockville speaker. Then you daisy chain the output of the Rockville speaker into the other output of the Rockville speaker. That way you have your pairs running together. The wireless microphones, you want to run the control box into the line. You can do just one channel, then both of them will work simultaneously with each other. You run it into the channel 1, and then you can adjust the volumes here as well as adjust the volumes here. And that is the way to hook up your mixer to your DJ controller, to the sub box, and to your PA speaker. If you guys like the tutorial, you have any questions, then please feel free to comment below. Also, if you like my channel, like and subscribe, because I'll have more setups, more tutorials for you guys to check out. Because with this setup, I can literally do events, live events. I can do like small to large events. I can do karaoke. You can do any other type of, DJ party that anybody would want. Alright, thanks guys for checking it out.